Modern brands are not created through large advertisements. They emerge from genuine authenticity, crafted one authentic post at a time. You don't require a hefty budget. A large team is unnecessary. What's essential is clarity, consistency, and connection. Whether you are a founder, freelancer, coach, or content creator, this is the pathway to establishing a compelling social media presence. Let's streamline it to be simple, strategic, and scalable. Step 1. Develop content that connects, rather than just sells. Try this. Share behind-the-scenes moments, lessons from setbacks, daily experiences, or client success stories. Communicate authentically, as a person, not a brand. Outcome: trust is built. People choose to buy from relatable individuals, not from brands that merely promote. Step 2. Harness AI to organize, write and stay agile. Action: utilize tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Copy.ai to create content outlines, draft captions, and compile idea lists in bulk. Outcome: maintain consistency without burnout and dedicate time to engaging instead of facing a blank screen. AI doesn't overshadow your voice, it enhances it. Step 3. Maintain consistency, but avoid exhaustion. Action: batch create your content 1 to 2 times weekly. Focus on 2 to 3 content pillars, example, education, progress updates, behind-the-scenes insights. Outcome: you consistently engage, establish brand recognition, and prevent burnouts or disappearing acts. Templates and batching are essential strategies to combat burnout. Step 4. Interact as a person, not a brand. Action: respond to comments, send direct messages, pose inquiries in captions, tag individuals, and share user-generated content. Outcome: build a community rather than merely amassing followers. A loyal community leads to organic reach and free word of mouth. Followers who feel acknowledged become advocates who promote your brand. Step 5. Choose the right platform, utilize it effectively. Action: use LinkedIn for authority and B2B connections, Instagram for interaction and direct messaging, YouTube for in-depth content and discoverability, X, Twitter, for insights and credibility. Outcome: you stop mindlessly imitating trends and take ownership of your brand strategy. A viral video isn't essential. A formidable voice is what you require. To establish your brand, show up before you feel prepared. Follow or subscribe for additional creator-focused brand strategies.